Hello everyone. Today we want to uh, continue our study of A0 TFT code. Here we trying to install the base viewer to visualization and to do the visualization visual, visualization of base and generating input file. All right. Okay. So before that, I want to explain what the overview of base TFT code system. So here we can see that sorry about that. That base is a kind of set of program package that performing a simulation in nanomaterial. So this is when nanosize is happening in material, then we have to employ the quantum mechanics. So basically it consists of base and then unsur. So base is the main for the first principle electronic structure calculation, and then unsur for the electric function calculation, and Ascot for the quantum transfer property calculation, and CIAO. This is for the generating of stow potential, and there is a phase viewer. So this is the GUI, graphical user interface version for phase, and we can use phase viewer for the visualization and for the generating input for the calculation. All right. So this is the kind of diagram. Sorry about that. Let me see. Okay. All right. Sorry. Okay, so there is Syah for stow potential file, and this stow potential file is required for the calculation in phase. And phase is after the calculation, it will generate the charge density file. This is needed for the band structure too, and it can be calculated for the dielectric function using USAR, and then quantum transportation property calculation can using SCOT. And the result of this calculation can be visualized using a phase viewer. So today we want to install this phase viewer. All right. So okay. So first is sorry about it. Okay. First is we have to download the phase viewer using this link. So we not choose this, but instead we will choose we choose this is viewer to 2014, and just click and it will be download. So it takes time. So I want to pause the video. Sorry for that. Okay, now the downloading is complete, so we will install this page viewer. So where is it? This one. All right. First, just extract this tar.gz file. Now is extracts. All right. Now this is in the folder of the page viewer. So we open the terminal in this folder. So please remind that we are in this kind of folder. So it depends on your system. Maybe this folder different, but make sure that we can see this file. So first, to install, we can run this one command. So I will copy it. Extract and input this command in the main folder of this viewer. Alright. Now it's installing. Okay, so it means that working. So next, actually I have installed the this viewer, so I'm not installed here. So if next, then it will create some folder in opt folder. So I have already installed. So what you did, just going next. So let me show you this one. Okay. So sorry. Anyway, I already installed this page viewer. So I just quit. So if you not already installed the page viewer, you need to complete the installation process. So here there is some you need to do. You have to what to say? You have to create a local variable in your terminal, so you can call the page viewer using a page viewer command. So here is the page viewer. Also, I already installed using this. So it depends on your sorry, I cannot install it, so maybe like this. Okay. So I already installed in this path, so I don't want to install again, but you need to install it. So it requires to make can a page viewer can be called using a page viewer command. All right, so I use ch terminal. So if you please the following code in this file. But if you use a default terminal, the default terminal is base terminal. You add this line into this file. All right. Now, oh, now is trying to run the page viewer. To run, just comment this. Okay, just execute. So this. Okay. All right. So now it is running the page viewer version 4.0.0. All right. So this is the kind of the appearing of page viewer. So you will have some projects here, and there is a subs project here. For example, I use Graphin. I have Graphin input file here. So let me show you the atomic configuration. All right. So this is the unit cell of Graphin. So maybe if you want to see the supercell version, you use the what to say, the transformation. This is kind of transformation. 4 times 4, 4 times for axis, and 4 times for axis, and we can apply it. So yes, so this is the Graphin structure. This is monolayer, and we can do the electronic structure calculation in this Graphin. Maybe we can calculate the band structure, the thin steel states, and the phonon dispersion, and then the phonon thin steel state, or maybe others, or maybe apply the vacancy, adding the defect, and etc. So using page viewer, we can visualize the input file or the output file. So maybe this is for today. Thank you very much. See you next week. Okay.